would like to call to speech another student of the madrasa, Danyal Ahmed, to come and present a few words in the quote of the Messenger of Allah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Narae Takbir, Narae Risalat, Narae Risalat.
نحمده ونصلي على رسوله الكريم أما بعد أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم قد جاءكم من الله نور وكتاب مبين. My respectable elders and my dear brothers, I have recited a very famous verse of the Holy Quran in front of you. This is verse number 15 of chapter Al-Ma'idah. Almighty Allah states in the Holy Quran, قد جاءكم من الله نور وكتاب مبين. Certainly, certainly, a great light and a bright book have come to you from Almighty Allah. Almighty Allah.
Nare Takbir, Nare Risalat, Nare Risalat, Nare Risalat, Mehfil Milad Mustafa.
Almighty Allah mentioned the arrival of two things in this verse. The first one is a great light, and the second one is a bright book. What does it mean by the great light, and what does it mean by the bright book? A big majority of interpreters of the Holy Quran elaborate that the great light is our beloved Prophet sallallahu alaihi wa alihi wasallam, and the bright book is the Holy Quran. My respectable elders and my dear brothers, as Almighty Allah stated very clearly in the Holy Quran that His beloved Prophet sallallahu alaihi wa alihi wasallam is the great light, so we believe that our beloved Prophet sallallahu alaihi wa alihi wasallam is the great light. He is the light of knowledge, He is the light of guidance, He is the light of wisdom, He is the light of logic, He is the light of Sharia. Every aspect of His life is a light, every angel of His teaching is a light, every phase of His personality is a light, every direction of His being is a light. His soul is a light, His body is a light, His physical existence is a light. He is true and perfect light from the top of His head to the bottom of His feet. He is light of the souls, He is light of the hearts, and definitely He is light of Almighty Allah. सर से लेकर पांव तक तनवीर है जैसे मुंह से बोलते कुरान की तफसीर है महव हैरात है ज़माना मुस्तफ़ा को देखकर वो मुसव्विर कैसा होगा जिसकी ये तस्वीर है. My respectable elders and my dear brothers, the great Professor Sayyid Mahmud Alusi wrote in the interpretation of this verse, namely in the verse of this Holy Quran, the great light and bright book both means our beloved Prophet sallallahu alaihi wa alihi wasallam. Certainly it is correct. There is no difference between the Holy Quran and the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wa alihi wasallam. If someone would like to see the Holy Quran in practical form, he should see our beloved Prophet sallallahu alaihi wa alihi wasallam. If someone would like to observe the life of our Prophet sallallahu alaihi wa alihi wasallam in written form, he should see the Holy Quran. May Almighty Allah bestow us the true love of our Prophet sallallahu alaihi wa alihi wasallam. وَمَا عَلَيْنَا إِلَّا الْبَلَاغُ الْمُبِينُ.
Inshallah, during that speech,